Alright friends, welcome back. Now in this video I am going to talk to you about shift and unshift methods in JavaScript array. The shift method returns the string that was shifted out. Okay, and the unshift method returns the new array length. Let's talk about that. Alright, open up the new tag, doc type, HTML. Open up the HTML tag, the body tag, open up the paragraph tag and say the Unshift method adds new elements to the beginning of an array. Okay, button on click is equal to my function and the label on this button is try it, just like before, and close the button tag. Open up the paragraph tag and say id is equal to demo, close the tag, and open up the paragraph tag, script var fruits is equal to banana, B capital, sorry, banana, orange, all come in string form, which is with inverted commas, apple. Okay, these typos really hold me back, but I try not to care because I just want to get done with the syntax and focus more on the logic. Alright, let's move to the next one. Document dot get element by id, demo dot inner HTML is equal to fruits. Okay, function, my function, open up the curly bracket, open up the curly bracket and say fruits dot unshift lemon and tab and return in tab and then say document dot get element by id, demo dot inner HTML is equal to fruits and close the curly bracket. Okay, close the script tag here because we're done with the script. And in the next line, open up the paragraph tag and with bold, within the B for bold, write note. Okay, close the bold tag and say the unshift, the unshift method does not work properly in the Internet Explorer 8 and earlier. The values will be inserted, but the return value will be, okay, EM means emphasis, undefined. Okay, put a period here and close your paragraph. Close the body tag and close the HTML tag, and let's save this file as. Alright, then save this file as file, save as. This is the array method example number 6. Also save it as HTML file .html, save, and let's find this file. There you go. The Unshift method adds new elements to the beginning of an array. Okay, it's going to add a new method in the beginning. The Unshift method does not work properly in the Internet Explorer 8 and earlier. The values will be inserted, but the return value will be undefined. Now the thing is, I'm using Chrome right now, and Chrome is my default browser, which means all my JavaScript goes in the Chrome browser, and it is converted into an executable only in Chrome. What you could do is you could try on the Internet Explorer, and just set your Internet Explorer in your system as a default browser, and you would find an error here. You can try it out. So the bottom line is that the shift method would insert something away from the list, out, and unshift would bring in. Okay, so and the shift and unshift begins from the beginning of the array. All right, from the 0 part. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arrays begin from 0. So from the beginning, the shift and unshift occurs. If you want to shift something, it's going to move towards the beginning, and if you want to unshift, it's going to move towards the from the beginning. All right, let's look at some other cool methods. Alright guys, in this next example here, I want to talk about array elements and their accessed using their index number. Array indexes start with 0. Okay, so 0 is the first element of the array, and 1 is the second, 2 is the third. Let's start this program. Begin writing doc type. Okay, doc type HTML. Open up the HTML tag, open up the body tag, open up the paragraph tag, and say array elements are accessed using their index number. Okay, button on click is equal to my function try it button. Okay, open up the paragraph tag and say id is equal to demo, and open up the script tag var fruits is equal to banana, orange, apple, mango. Okay, document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to fruits function, my function fruits is equal to kiwi. Okay, and open up the curly bracket. Oops, we just opened up the curly bracket, sorry, and tab document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to fruits, and close the curly bracket, close the script tag and close the body tag, and finally close the HTML tag. And let's save this file as file, save as method 7. Okay, and I also want to save it as HTML. Let's run the file. Okay, array elements are accessed using the index number. Okay, so what this method does is it's going to, what you did was replace fruit number 0 with kiwi. Okay, that's all you did in the function. As soon as you click the button, this function is invoked and it says fruits 0 is equal to kiwi. Notice first you had banana, it's going to change to kiwi. Okay, these are the kind of scripts that we write when we have our browsers. Then the cookies and all of those things that are placed in your browser, they are written using JavaScript. And then those analytics, Google Analytics, that help with the business intelligence, like each kind of click that you're making on the screen, it's going to note down what button was clicked on the screen and how many times, and it will report the image that you were viewing, the screen that you were viewing, anywhere where your mouse was hovering. All of these activities are noticed by these methods in the JavaScript, and then they are reported back to the program that's requesting it. Okay, and then the data is populated, and the whole database of activities is created for one user, and they are reported back to the website that has requested it, and they pay a lot of money for these programs. And what happens is that then they provide more targeted advertisement. Even if you're not visiting that website anymore, you would see ads of that website in other other screens or other websites that you're viewing. You would see small ads here or the top. Okay, and that's like targeted advertising, and that's how e-commerce and e-businesses work. JavaScript is a very powerful language, and it's all client side. Nothing is server side about JavaScript. So and it's very easy to learn, but I'm just trying to make you understand that JavaScript is a driver behind a lot of electronic commerce activities and a lot of internet, the way internet is working. The World Wide Web, actually, internet is all about the hardware and the software working together, your router, your client and your server node, and all of this. The World Wide Web, www, is driven by JavaScript. Okay, let's look at a couple of more examples here. Okay, I have this last example for this video, and this example talks about how you can change the length, or how you can return the value of the length of the entire array. Okay, we've done this many times, but it's being done in a different context. Let's take a look. Keep typing the code. Open up the paragraph tag and say the length, length property provides an easy way to append new elements to an array without using the push method. Okay, sometimes some methods are too drastic, and sometimes it's one method, executing one method would have an effect on how other methods are executed. So sometimes you have a choice of doing 2 or 3 things in 2 or 3 one thing in 2 or 3 different ways. So it's based on wise programming convention and best decisions made by the programming team on what function to use in a given situation. Try it. Okay, close the button tag. Open up the paragraph tag and say ID is equal to demo. Okay, close the paragraph tag. Open up the script tag. Var foods is equal to banana, orange, apple, mango. All right, let's go to the next line and say document dot get element by ID demo dot inner HTML is equal to fruits. Function, my function, open up the curly bracket and say fruits dot length length is equal to kiwi document dot get element by ID demo dot inner HTML is equal to fruits. Close the curly bracket. I think you can guess what's going to happen here, right? Let's run this program. Body and close HTML tag. Perfect. Let's save this file as file, save as. Okay, program 8, save, and save as all files .html. Alright, let's find this file. The length property provides an easy way to append new elements to an array without using the push method. Try it. Okay, so this is an easier method of doing things. Okay, and all you did was you fruits.length, you extended the length fruits.length, because I told you in arrays you can have strings, you can have methods or functions, and you can have objects, you can have numbers. So you add length, fruits.length, and you add to the length by adding the another element called kiwi, and kiwi is added as long as you want. Just refresh this, try it. Okay, so this is how it works, and I think I'm going to sign off now, and in the upcoming examples I'm going to talk more about JavaScript array methods. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video.